We're back with Sharon. So it's the middle of ski season. We get a lot of people with funky knees. And if you've got pain kind of across the front of the knee here.
You know, the high riding patella, or where the patella is, where the rectus femoris is so tight, it pulls your patella up, your kneecap. That's the biggest cause of knee pain, and the precursor to a lot of knee surgery.
Mm-hmm. And so, to get that, we're going to work rectus femoris, which is this big zone kind of from the top of your hip here all the way down to your knee. And so the check is, we're going to use a tiger tail ball.
A 5-inch ball.
And it works a little bit better than a foam roller. So if you have something like this, use it. If not, foam roller is a good second tool.
That's correct.
But your first test is just, where does this go without stretching it? And then when you stretch, where can you get that foot to?
So you're trying to get your heel to your seat.
Yep.
For the rectus femoris.
And then when we start to work it, we're going to take the ball.
Start up here.
So we're finding that like right on the hip flexor there. And then I grab my stretch strap. So I'm going to have this on stretch the whole time.
That's right.
Digging around through there. So that's bitey. So I'm going to spin 2 breaths. After 2 breaths, just shift your weight so it takes some pressure off the ball. Get back in there, a couple more breaths. And then you're going to work in 1 to 2 inch kind of intervals all the way down the leg there. And so I can, with this ball, I can go from side to side. It makes it easier to get the pressure specifically where we want it. Dig around through there if it's bitey. Spend more time.
That's it.
And then just keep working your way down.
Now, if we only make the rectus femoris even just this much longer, the pain sometimes completely goes away.
Yeah, which is sweet. And if you have knee pain before you go ski, that can diminish the experience. If you have knee pain before you train, that can make training harder. So this is a really good thing to do before you train if the front of your knee's feeling saucy, and digging around through there. And then your retest is just like, how easily does that heel come all the way down to the seat? And with just that little bit, that's coming easier than it did when I did that first stretch. Yeah. So front of the knee pain, you're going to start top of the hip, work all the way down to the top of the knee while you're doing your compressions, and make sure you're stretching that tissue. Get after it, give it a shot.
Way to go.